All right, guys, we got a cool, quick little diag for you. 91 Miata. Customer concern was that when you turn the headlights on, the driver's side headlight bucket doesn't flip up and the cooling fan comes on full speed. So let me show you guys what I'm talking about. So this one's not running. This one is. We even have a little buzzing sound coming from this motor, like it's trying to work. It's trying to flip that one up, but there's not enough current through it. So this one was a little interesting because typically, we're working on slightly newer cars. I would have like a diagram or kind of something to go off. The diagrams for this one, because it's kind of older, were a little spotty. I didn't even really have like a full-on like power and ground distribution one where I could just kind of be like, okay, yeah, these circuits share a ground, these ones share a power. So we kind of had to just, old school it, process of elimination, and kind of just going through the steps and what made sense. The cooling fan operates as normal as long as the headlights are off. So to me, if the car is able to control the fan and everything, and the fans work as normal when it gets up to temp, then to me that means that the circuit for the fan is fine. What's suspect is the circuit for the headlights. I wanted to be for sure, so I pulled the relay for the cooling fan over here and just stuck a test light in on the one side of the load for the cooling fan. This is our hot side, so I'm in a ground, so if I touch a power, it's going to light up. So we've got 12 volts on one side of this. We've got nothing on the other side of this, as we should, because it's a ground. However, watch what happens to that when I turn on the headlights. So to me, that means that we now have 12 volts running through the ground side on the fan circuit, even with the relay unplugged. Essentially, that means that we've got current running through the headlight circuit and grounding itself through the fan circuit, kind of where I wound up on, which to me meant that the ground for the headlight circuit is missing. Again, I didn't have component locations. I didn't have any diagrams or anything. I was about to just Google, these cars are so popular, I was about to just Google like where the ground locations are. But I kind of essentially just started following the headlight harness back visually and wound up over there. So if you want to show them what I found, I've got this ground splice pack here disconnected. It's typically bolted on underneath the master cylinder, but two of these wires actually were completely chewed through by pack rats. I cut them right now so that I could fix them, but we wanted to show you guys real quick what we found on this one. So I'm going to go ahead and get that fixed up, and then we'll show you guys the repair afterwards. We got it all fixed. Show them that beautiful repair. Wow. Look at that. Just soldered in some new wires. That bolt's not fun to get to either. But check it out, man. Oh! Works as it should now.